Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. My name is Yasmi and today I'm here to remind you that we have 11 days to Christmas and we are making this very simple roasted ripe plantain and cocoyam with some suya tomato sauce. It's a no stress Christmas season and I think you should definitely add this to your menu. So it's a very simple recipe, okay? Here I have my ripe plantains. I also have here my cocoyam, which I've cleaned nicely and then soaked in salt water. I also have here some suya, which we got from the streets, okay? No stress. And then I have some canned tomatoes here. You can use fresh tomatoes if that's what you have, okay? I have some onions, ginger, garlic, and pepper as well which I'll be using for the sauce. For the oil, I'll be using palm oil, but you can use vegetable oil or any cooking oil you have. Okay. I also have here some salt and shrimp powder, which is going to add flavor to my stew. Let's get started. So, like I said, I'm going to be roasting these. I'm going to use my air fryer. So, yeah. And then we are going to start our simple sauce. In goes my palm oil. I know I said you can use any cooking oil of your choice, okay, but definitely highly consider palm oil, okay, because it's going to be great with this sauce. So I've added my blended ginger, garlic, onion, and pepper. I'm going to stir fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes to make sure the onions really get the flavor into the palm oil, okay. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi, like I said in the beginning. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. So at this point, I'm adding my blended tomatoes. So when I was adding it, I realized there was too much. So of course, I left some, okay. So I'll also give this a good mix and then allow this to cook properly or simmer down for about 10 minutes, okay. So I'll cover and then leave it on low heat. So after 10 minutes, I go in to check on my sauce. It's doing great. I'm going to go ahead and season it now and then add in my suya, okay? So before I get to the suya, you can use any protein of your choice, okay? But like I said in the beginning, it's a stress-free recipe, so I didn't want to do much. So I just got the suya on the streets and added it, okay? So in goes my shrimp powder and my salt. I'm not using any cubes or artificial seasoning in this recipe. Okay, that's why I added the shrimp powder. It's great, especially when you have palm oil in there. I don't know, the combination is just fire. Okay, you should try it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm also adding my suya. You can do any protein, like I said. Let me take this breather to say a thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys are amazing, okay? Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, for sharing, for liking and commenting. And also, if you're watching this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave your comments down below on your way out and definitely share this video to reach a wider audience. Now our sauce is ready. By now also our plantains and cocoyams are ready. And there you have it, a very simple recipe you can try this festive season. If you do not want to roast your plantains and cocoyams, you can definitely fry them. I hope you are inspired to try this recipe. If you do, give me a feedback. And as always, keep blooming.